Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set multiple wallpapers on lock screen Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, you need to scroll down and then select wallpaper and style. Now on the wallpaper and style page, locate and click on change wallpaper. Then to set multiple photos as your wallpaper or to set multiple wallpaper on your lock screen, go ahead and click on gallery. Then go ahead and select photo, then select the photo you want to use as your multiple wallpaper on your Samsung phone lock screen. Based on your device, in my own case, I can select up to 15 different photos. After that, click on done at top right. Now, once you click on done at top right, hang on, then you should see the lock screen like this. And you should see the number of items you selected. Like this, you can remove and add other items. Now, go ahead and click on done at the top right. Once you click on done, hang on to see changes apply to lock screen. And after that, exit the settings page. Now, when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, then you should see you're changing wallpaper like this. However, if the wallpaper does not change, each time you unlock it, it's going to change based on your configuration. And then you are good. So that is basically how to set multiple wallpaper on lock screen Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.